Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota Tundra with some great exterior features that include fuel velocity wheels, a 3-inch Revtech lift kit, Bushwacker Fender Flares, and a full 3M package. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have black and gray cloth interior. There are also all-weather floor mats and power windows. Entering the vehicle, on your steering wheel, you've got your audio and phone controls along with Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise. Over on the touchscreen, you've got vehicle information, your Bluetooth phone settings, and your radio. Right below that are all of your climate controls. Down at the bottom here, we have some outlets along with your heated seat switches. This Tundra also comes with this TRD Shift Knob. The back seats come equipped with more black and gray cloth interior. We also have 2 cup holders, an additional outlet, and all-weather floor mats. Underneath of these seats is a storage compartment which can be accessed by lifting up on this tab. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota Tundra with some great interior features that include heated seats, a TRD shift knob, storage compartments under the rear seats, and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.